Okay, we have the DDCS version 3.1 as a control box. First, I like the compact control box. I design it up, and then through the laser cutting I cut the box and bent it up, and now after I put the components I will test it. Okay, first let me start it up. Okay, this is 4-axis DDCS V controller. It's 4-axis, as you can see. I did not start the VFD yet. I want to show you folks before I start the VFD. Let me try the MBG first. Reset. And then the mode. Yes. MBG. Try to go to Y. Try to move. You can see there two motors. I did not install, this is NEMA 23. I did not install yet the box with my CNC machine, not yet. Now you could see these two motors together because I'm using Y-axis, and in my Y-axis CNC I got two motors. This is only testing motor, stepper motor. This is only for testing. Actually I got bigger than that a little bit. It is NEMA 23 as well, but when tie, but this is not when tie. Anyway, as long as it is compact, you can expect a lot of noises. So I put MI filters, and also I put magnetic ring ferrite. Before I do that, why I'm doing all this, because I don't claim I'm expert, but I'm trying to do my best, and it's working very fine, as I can see. But I'm sharing this information with you, how I done this control box. Okay, but anyway, let us look what's inside before I start the VFD. Okay, I will remove the cover. As you can see folks, it's simple components. It's too much ferrite and filters. The reason I put the filters, because this kind of controller, it does need two adapter actually, but I put three to supplying the drivers. The other two is for iOS, and the other one for controller, a small one over there. So as you can see, is VFD over here, and there is adapter over there, and there is adapter under the screen itself, under the controller. So I need the filters and ferrites, as you can see, so have clearance, no noise. Now I will start the VFD. Okay, now I will start the VFD. We can check it out. You can see now it's working. It's nothing interference with the controller. Not yet. I did not hooked up the spindle. Now let us check upon these wires. So it is X, Y, two Y's, and Z, and the A drive. A drive, I did not use. I got the stepper motor, but I did not install it yet. There is a switch for A axis. When the time I'm willing to use it, I switch it on. About the Y axis, I choose to install two driver. Two driver can take one signal only from the controller. So some people, they do put one driver only for two motors. But as long as I got two 23 NEMA step motors. I'm not going to take the risk, so I just wire each individual, and they both working fine as you see. That's why I choose y-axis to show you that's the two motor with this. I could not find this one in the internet, so I'm sharing this information with you. This to have one signal and power off over there, and both of them is going to serve y-axis as two motors. So it is 4 axis over there I'm controlling, and the limit switch is over here, and that's why, and this for the spindle, okay, and one fan. What else I can show you, folks, with this compact control box? Everything is fine for me, as you see from the test. I did not test yet the spindle. I will test it. After that is going to be another video. One thing I forgot to hook up the wires or connect the wires, which is touch probe. I should made a hole over here and then connect it to make it work. I try to get closer to show you exactly what's inside. Okay, now you can see here, I don't know, yeah, this small adapter over there. It's 3, as I said, it's 3 adapter. This is I don't know if it's clear for you or not. Okay, the other one is over here. Okay, the other one is over here, and there is filters. There is one filter is going for VFD, and the other one is going for this one. So because it's close to the control panel, right, close to the controller itself. Controller is considered as a computer, so there is no noise, the VFD working, as you can see, and there is not so much interference. There is so much ferrite I put for my system. I hope this is useful for you to check what I have been done. What I have been done is, I think, is everything fine with this controller. Thank you for watching.